Hello friends. So today I'm at this beautiful lake at Powai. It is also known as Powai Lake. This lake is built by the British in the time of British rule. So today is the first time I'm visiting this Powai Lake. So earlier I used to go by this way, sometimes towards the airport, but I never visited this lake. It's a very beautiful lake in Powai, but what happened nowadays, it's becoming very dirty because of people. You know, in India we people do not have a civic sense to use dustbin, so you can find out everywhere the stress surrounding. I think municipality is also not working properly, or it's a non-functional municipal corporation of Navi Mumbai. See, this is a beautiful lake. Fish, crocodile, everything is there. So you have to always be careful if you wanna go to the water. So today is a Sunday, so people are coming to Powai Lake for fishing. So due to Sunday, people are coming here for fishing. So nearby Powai Lake, metro construction is going on. Here you can find the metro construction. So next time you no need to take train towards Kanjurmarg or somewhere else. So you can come directly to the Powai Lake in Ranjanjani Estate by coming metro. So Powai लेक के पास नियर बाई है IIT Mumbai is located nearby this lake. It is just walking distance, or you can hire one auto rickshaw. It's a beautiful place. So Powai Lake में ये एक पार्क भी है. So it's a very beautiful park. You can come inside. way to what it is mentioned, way to Lily Pond, way to amphitheater, water fountain. Okay. बहुत अच्छा पार्क है। सो पब्लिक नहीं है इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं वही प्रेफर करता हूँ जहाँ पे लोग कम हो। देखो नियर बाय दिस इज़ लेक। वो हीरानंदिनी स्टेट है। आई थिंक बहुत पुराना ट्री है ये। इसका ज़रूर देख के आप मालूम पड़ेगा कितना पुराना है। पीपल ट्रीज, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीज एंड वेरी गुड फॉर द क्लाइमेट इन इंडिया एंड टू टेक रेस्ट। तो ये रहा एम्पी थिएटर। पता नहीं कुछ काम का है कि नहीं ये एम्पी थिएटर। बट दे बिल्ड दिस, नो कंप्लेंट्स। So right now I'm inside the Powai Lake, so the Powai Dam. So it's a very beautiful dam located at Powai. So dam water coming by this way. Very beautiful garden at Poi Dam. So come here to enjoy your day, but please don't pollute, don't throw garbage, or don't bring any itinerary inside the garden, so that you can maintain the cleanliness. Maintaining cleanliness, it's not only the responsibility of government or the municipality. You should be the responsible. So here I'm at Hiranandani's. It's a smart city inside Poi. It's a luxurious township developed by Hiranand. This is most beautiful place located surrounding in Poi. So this is called Hiranandani. So everything are like planned. It's a well planned city. Oh, it's raining outside.
Good trail.